Hey there and welcome to Firestick Tricks, the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Firestick. In today's video, we will be jailbreaking our device, which will entail enabling the developer options and also downloading an app called Downloader, which is essential for the last part of the guide, where I will be giving you my top downloader codes for 2026 to fulfill all your streaming desires. So make sure you stay until the end, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss one of our tutorials. Okay, so from the home screen, head over to the magnifying glass and start typing Downloader into the search bar. After the first couple of letters, you should see Downloader in the list, so you can go ahead and select it. Now make sure you select the right one, as there is also a couple of fake ones in the store. This is the one you want. You can now click Download and wait for the app to install. When it's done, click back to the home screen and we will now enable the developer options. First, make your way to Settings, and then click into My Fire TV. You can see that my Firestick already has developer options enabled. But if yours doesn't, then you just need to click into About, and then you need to click on your device name 7 times. You are now a developer. Message will appear at the bottom if you are successful. If you click back, you will now see developer options are available. Now, you just need to click into them and then select Install Unknown Apps. You will see Downloader in the list. Just click on it, and this setting will now be turned on. You can now click back to the home screen and make your way over to your apps. We will now move the Downloader app by long pressing Select on your remote and then moving it to the front. I like to do this, as Downloader is an app you will likely use a lot from now on. Now, before we get to the Downloader codes, I must warn you that some internet service providers are blocking the content provided in these apps. Luckily, Firestick Tricks has teamed up with NordVPN to bring you an exclusive discount, saving you up to 74% on their standard pricing, plus an amazing extra 4 months coverage. Just head to the link in the video description or the pinned comment. Not only will you guarantee that your internet provider can't block content, but you will also add an extra layer of security to your device. Once you've signed up via the link, the official app can be found and downloaded via the Amazon App Store. If you head back to the home screen and make your way over to your applications, you can now long press the select button on your remote and move NordVPN to the front of your list. I like to do this as it just helps me to remember to make sure that my VPN is active before I start streaming. Now, using your login and password you got when you signed up, you can now access the app. As you can see at the top, when you are not connected, it will say Unprotected. If you have a look around the app, you will see that there are tons of countries available, plus options for the fastest servers available at the moment. I will cover this in more detail in a future video, but for now, you can go to the Quick Connect button and get started. After a second or two, the VPN will connect you to a server and then you are good to go. Just make your way back to the home screen and we can now carry on with the tutorial. So from the home screen, head over to your Downloader app. When it opens up, head up to the search bar and press the select button on your remote. Now the on-screen keyboard should appear. You now need to type in one of the codes that will be shown to you later in this tutorial. Just make sure you type it exactly as I do. When you're done, hit go and follow the on-screen prompts to install the app. When that's all finished, you can now make your way back to the home screen. Just like we did before with Nord and Downloader, we can move the app to the front of the list by highlighting the app and long pressing Select on your remote, then moving it to the position you want. The app is now ready for you to enjoy. And as promised, here are my top 30 codes for 2026. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.